How to set an automation email in ActiveCampaign. Hey guys, welcome back, and today in this video we are creating an automated email using ActiveCampaign, and I'll show you step by step how to set an automation and then designing the email. And this is how our email is going to look once we design it. So let's start designing. So first of all, you have to sign up into ActiveCampaign for using it, and after initial sign up, this is our dashboard, and on our left we have our navigation bar like contact, campaigns, automation, deals, websites, report, and app setting and account settings. So for creating an automated email, go to automation. So the next step is to choose a trigger for your automation, and ActiveCampaign offers several types of trigger like subscribe to a list, unsubscribe from a list, submits a form, opens or reads an email, click a link in an email, and many more. So today I am creating an automation for a verification email, so I will add trigger of. So I am going to choose subscribe to a list, and then we have to choose action. If my visitor subscribe to my list, then what will be done? To either to send them an email, a message, an SMS, a notification, and whatsoever. So I am choosing an email, and then I have to enter the name of email, so I'll write verification, and then we have a template or a past campaign, so I'll choose template, and then we have to choose either an email designer, text only, or custom HTML. So I'll be choosing email designer and then continue. So these are the available templates, and we have design templates, layouts, and past campaigns. So I'll choose design templates, and here are the available results. So this is a template of verification of an email, so I'm going to choose it, and we can also preview it before we start designing it, but for now I'll select it, and then enter from name, from email, and reply to email address and an email subject. So I will write verify your email, and then continue. And we'll be customizing our email from this editor, and ActiveCampaign provides a drag and drop email builder that makes it easy to create professional looking emails. You can add image, text, buttons, spacer, video, and many more to this email. So first of all, I am going to change this text. So I have replaced the text, and this is our footer, and all of our social media links are here. So when I'll just click on it, this window will appear, and we have to embed a link to our social media here, so that if any of visitor click on this link, they will directly be in your social media account. So once you are done designing this email, don't forget to save and exit, or maybe if you are trying to do it at the moment, then go to next. and then goes the confirmation of subject, pre-header text, from, and reply to Gmail address. So now click to finish. So our automation is on, and whenever a user will sign up to my website, they will get this verification email. ActiveCampaign is a powerful marketing automation platform that can help you automate your email marketing and grow your business. Whatever you are, a small business owner or marketer, ActiveCampaign can help you streamline your email marketing process and save your time. This is just one example of what you can do with this platform. With ActiveCampaign, the possibilities are endless, so get creative and see what you can come up with. Hope you guys find this